So, Bella gets the hiccups really frequently, either when she pees or when she poopies. She gets it really easily, or if she burps, like a really big burp. Nothing works. I give her a little bit of formula, it doesn't go away. I give her a little bit of water and it doesn't go away. So I googled and I saw this little remedies, grape water, and it helps with hiccups. So we're gonna test it out right now and see what happens. Let's see. So she's 6 months, so you can see I'm giving her 10 ml. Let's see what happens. Mamash? So the hiccups went away. So she's proof that it works. So ladies or men, try this. It's really good. It's been helping my baby. I just wanted to videotape it because it works and I wanted to show it.